to the site of 32 Degrees East. It is the end of month, which means yet another monthly video update, which are so fun. To be honest, this one is actually filmed in advance because I'll be traveling next week, but we are so committed to making sure you get the latest updates fresh from the site. So filming this in advance, and what's really cool is you get to see how much can change in just 1 week. Thanks to the incredible team here on site, LocalWorks, New Makers Bureau, sending all the advice from the UK. So much going on. So now you'll see it. So this is what it looks like. Or this is what it will have looked like a week ago. And this is what it looks like today.